Alright, so we're getting another car today. We're getting the same Mercedes, but in silver. So that's exciting. Only difference is the new one is more expensive in the sense that it has an exhaust system that comes out, so we'll be showing you that. Although I'm gonna miss the gray Mercedes, but we'll see what happens. What else are we doing? I need to wait for like these construction men to come and put my mirrors up so I can do that. And we're having lasagna for lunch, so that's exciting. Ooh, and I'm ordering stuff online. Zada Home new carpet and what else? New earrings. New earrings. What else am I getting? There's something else I was getting, but I forgot. Oh, a new shirt. Because, you know, I've gained weight. They look nice side by side. Alright, let's go. It blossomed. It wasn't like this before.